garlic. Tengo este pescado acá. Pasa. Just gonna salt it, with sal. Roasted garlic and peppers. Ajo y pimiento picado. Como olive oil, poco aceite de oliva. Vamos a añadir un poquitito de vino blanco, a little bit of white wine, and let it cook. Then we're gonna add probably cheese on top or something like that. Después le vamos a agregar un poquito de queso o algo encima. Actually, we're gonna add some cheese on top right away. Vamos a añadir un pedazo de queso entero nomás to annoy some people. Para que algunas personas se enojen. Just need some tomatoes now to make it a pizza. Yo tengo un poco de tomate para hacer lo que una pizza. If you don't try, we'll never know, right? Be creative. Be creative. Guess we're ready, huh? Let's eat it. Actually, you know what? Since this end up being more like a stew, como terminó más como un estofado, just gonna add more of this, which is wine and butter. Wow, it's gonna be good. And then this other half, I'll eat it later differently. De otra forma, it's gonna be pretty good.